Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I use FigJam to think about new product ideas. FigJam is useful for if I want to communicate with someone about my product, but I don't want to use Figma just yet, the design tool just yet. But if I wanted to, list down everything, this is very helpful. It has this table which I use a lot. I don't use these note things that much to create actual diagrams. I don't use that much. But so what I do is not like back end work. I do primarily like product manager work. So list of features that I want, list of inside the feature what should be the cards, fields, everything, personas, and things like that. So it's basically like a business analyst or a product manager role. So I do that. So that for that, this table feature is really helpful for that. So I use this a lot. So yeah, I just wanted to use this video to tell you guys about this, and probably if you are designing something, you might need this before you design anything, because this is a very good feature. And previously I used to do the same thing in Figma. I used to create a table and I used to write everything down, but in Figma this is much easier. So yeah, that's it. Try it out. Create a new FigJam file, and for your new product, just add everything in a table. If you want, you can use these cards also, but the table is a little better. You can just, if you don't like this, you can just copy it and create a new text tag that you like. So it's very easy in that sense. So yeah, try it out and let me know how it goes. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.